Hi, I'm Jamie Holman with CellScale Biomaterials Testing. Today I'm here to show you a brief demonstration of our device, the MCTX. This is a uniaxial compression stimulation device typically used on tissue samples or cell cultures. As you can see, it has 6 individual wells and it can take samples up to 25 millimeters tall and 20 millimeters in diameter. Each well is controlled by its own linear actuator and load cell. So each well has its own displacement and force calibration and output. As you can see, I have 5 wells already put together. Now I'm going to put the last sample in. What I'm using today is just some cylindrical foam samples. So we place it in the well, get it centered. Next, we place on the top compression plate. What this does is if you have any sharp samples, it won't puncture through the membrane. Next step is the membrane. This keeps the bottom half sterilized from the top half because the top half cannot be sterilized, but the bottom half can be. Now we'll put our device on top and fasten it down. Now that we have it fastened down, we can go to the computer and upload a protocol. So here, I'm just going to run a simple protocol of a 1 millimeter compression with a 1 second compress and a 1 second recovery duration, and we'll repeat that 5 times. Okay, so we will program. Successful. Next, we go to the device and we click this red button once to initialize the system. What that does is it zeroes the displacement and the force. So we're starting at a consistent 0 point every time we run a test. All right, now that that's finished, we have a solid green light on this side, and one more push of the button will start our test. All right, so that was just a quick demonstration of this device. All the data that was saved from that test is stored on board and can be downloaded via the software. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to CellScale Biomaterials and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks so much.